can't describe the taste.
Konnichiwa, minasan. Come with me as I taste the spring snacks that I got. First, we have the snack from McDonald's.
Shortcake pie. Shortcake pie. Strawberry shortcake pie. So good. Oh, it's big. Are you see this show? Next snack, jelly, sakura jelly. Oh, so cute. Oishiso. Looks yummy. Okay. I can't describe the taste. Here. This one, I'll definitely gonna buy it again. But this, I don't think so. Our last snack. Oh, yeah, looks like manju, like sweet buns. Let's see, open. Okay. Let's try sakura flavor. Same taste like the jelly mahal. You should try.
I'm full.
Just take a bite. The final verdict, if I'm going to rate all the snacks I ate, this snack, the Ichigo Shoto Keiki, is 5 out of 5. And this bun, I'm going to rate it 3 out of 5. And the jelly one, I couldn't finish it. I didn't like the taste. 2 out of 5. So definitely, I like sakura, the flower, but I don't like the flavor. That's it. Johnny, bye-bye.